Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about YouTube community guideline violation. And if you are a YouTuber, whether you are a small YouTuber or have a big channel or you are very new to YouTube, community guideline is a must. You cannot do without it. But when you have a community guideline remover, take notice. How do you fix the problem? Which is exactly I'm going to show you right here in this video. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure that when you receive a community violation remover by YouTube, you need to make sure you always check your email and at the same time check your channel notification. So I'm going to go ahead and open my channel mail right here. Now here we go. Then you have a message like this. So this type of message is not a message you should delete it. Whether you are new or you have been on YouTube for a very long time, always read this type of message. So open up the message. Now when you open the message, you need to understand things. There are difference between copyright strike and community guideline remover. So if you have a community guideline remover, it still is something that you can easily solve. So what you need to do is to read the content of the mail, read where the part you have the issue with that particular content. So I'm going to use this particular topic as a case study. So here, my WhatsApp marketing secret tutorial reveal didn't follow community guideline, we remove it from YouTube. What I need to do right here is to click on review and take action. Now you are here. So harassment and bullying. That is just the tag of that particular community violation. Then in the segment, a phone number is displayed in red text on the bottom left of the screen while a person is navigating a phone screen. Also, a list of phone numbers is displayed on the WhatsApp business screen. Because YouTube does not let people post videos with personal identifiable info, this video is not allowed. So you can go ahead and click on read more about the community guideline in order to be more understanding about YouTube community violation for your next future video. So explanation by AI. So this is an automated community violation. But in some cases, if you think the automated violation is not right, you still need to make sure you take your proper action to claim that particular video. Now here, this is how this impacts you. So you need to make sure you click on here and be sure this content can be viewed on YouTube and can earn money. This is not a strike, so your channel is not impacted. So you need to take note of this, how this thing actually affects you. So you have to make sure you know that. Then if you think we made a mistake, you can appeal or decision. So go ahead and take action right here. Then you have different appeal right here. You can either edit the video. So you have the option to fix the part of your video that violates our policy by trimming or blurring or muting. Once you make edits, you won't be able to access the original version or appeal. So what you want to do right here, what we want to do right here is to go ahead and click on here to edit the video. So here we go. Now visit YouTube Studio on a desktop computer or go to Content tab. Find your video over the restriction column and select Preview Content. On the last step, edit the video. So what you need to do here is to go ahead and log into your YouTube Studio on a PC and make sure you edit the video. Once you edit the video, you can cut part or blur the part where you have the violation. Once you do that, then the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and submit your appeal. After you submit your appeal, YouTube team human will review the content, and if you meet up the criteria as far as the policy community guideline is concerned, the video will be restored back to your channel and you start making money with that particular content. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to fix your YouTube policy or community guideline, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.